How to enable disappearing messages on Messenger very easily. Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. In this new video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the option of disappearing messages on Messenger. So let's get started with it. The new update of Messenger has made it really easy for us to enable the disappearing messages. So let's just open the Messenger application for it. After that, tap on the person you want to enable the disappearing messages to. Here, tap on the icon at the top right. And then just scroll down and you'll get the option of disappearing messages. Just tap it on and tap on 24 hours. After that, you can see you have turned on disappearing messages option on that person. The messages will disappear 24 hours after they've been sent is set to that person. If that person tries to screenshot or screen record, then you will receive a notification. So in that way, you can enable the disappearing messages on Messenger very easily. Just follow the steps and you will be done. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.